Vera from Spring has a question about siding replacement.
Well, her house is all brick, Tom, except for this. That's a pretty common detail, isn't it? I mean, when to bring the brick up to the eaves like that and then take the wood further up?
Absolutely.
Okay, yeah. Vera writes, it's on two sides in front of the garage, plus the soffits and fascia boards. I've received a quote for $18,750. They taught me to do that in broadcasting school, and you want to make a number seem really big. Anyways, $18,750 using LP Smart Siding. I asked about Hardie boards, and they said they'd be about the same cost, but they keep pushing the LP product. I could see maybe for the whole house, but it seems high for the work that's being done just up the top side there.
Well, the only way to combat that is always get a second and third quote from other companies. So that's number one. Number two, I would tell you not to use a contractor at all, because if they're pushing the LP siding, it's not a great product. Hardie is so much better. And let's say it is the same cost and all your costs come in from other contractors the same. Insist. And I say this sometimes, Charlie, demand it. Hardie only. This is why I say that. People push the other stuff because they probably make more profit on it.
Right.
There's a, bigger markup and that kind of thing. So please, Hardie only, and get 3 quotes from contractors. It's not a big deal.
All right. So the reason for the Hardie is not only will it look better, but it'll last longer. The paint will hold to it better, and it'll never. I'll guarantee you one thing: it'll never look the way this stuff does after years.
And if you go to HomeShowRadioPros.com, we've got people you can have come out and take a look at it too. It's always going to be more expensive than you want. I mean, that's just the nature of things today. But at least you'll get some competitive pricing. And Hardie only. Yeah,
because we have 2 Hardie Elite Preferred, sanctified, whatever it is, installers. I don't know what they are. They've been to the Star Chamber and been validated. I don't know, but anyway, home exterior systems and advanced home exteriors, and you can find them at HomeShowRadio.com under our under the Home Show Pros there on the homepage, or like Tom says, you can contact direct by going to HomeShowHardiePros.com, and they'll be able to help you out. Now, if you want Tom to help you out, all you have to do is visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll answer it in a video just like this. We post them on our YouTube channel, we post them on our website, we post them on our Facebook page, and we'd sure appreciate it if you'd like and follow us on that Facebook page.